I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house. But we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good. A nurse showed me how to remove a ring from a swollen finger. When fingers swell, getting a ring off can seem nearly impossible. I'd like to share 2 methods to avoid this problem. First, prepare a thin string or thread. Cut a piece of it. Slip one end of the thread under the ring. Hold or tape this end to your hand temporarily. Start wrapping the other end of the thread around the swollen finger. Tape this end as well. Now, take the first end of the thread and start unwinding it. The ring will begin to slide off. If the thread catches on the ring, adjust it and continue unwinding. The ring will slide off the finger, and you'll be able to remove it. You can also do this with a piece of string. Follow the same steps as with the thread. At first, it may seem difficult, but it becomes easier as you go along. You can remove the ring by yourself this way. Another simple method works as long as the swelling isn't too severe. You probably have petroleum jelly or a greasy cream at home. Just smear it all over the finger with the ring. This will help the ring slide off without any trouble. Don't throw away your scratched glasses. You can save them like this. You'll thank us for this trick. Your glasses will be like new. Regardless of the type of lens material, glasses can get scratched during everyday use. The good news is that both glass and plastic lenses can be repaired if they are scratched. We'll show you how to do it. You will need 2 ingredients that you always have on hand, and they don't cost much. The first is petroleum jelly. Just ordinary cosmetic petroleum jelly, which many people use. But not everyone knows its wide application. It is famous for its protective properties, and it moisturizes exactly what we care about when it comes to glasses. You only need 1 teaspoon of it. Put it into a bowl and then add toothpaste. An important tip about the toothpaste: you need plain, standard white toothpaste without any gel additives. Mix everything thoroughly. The ingredients must combine well to work. This resulting mixture will repair your glasses. Apply it on both sides of the lenses. Leave it on the lenses for 20 minutes. After that time, wipe the agent from the glass, preferably with a tissue or paper towel. Polish such glasses with a soft cloth, usually included with the glasses. Your glasses will look like new, and the scratches will disappear and no longer interfere with your vision. Add some petroleum jelly and apply it to your lips. It's the best homemade cosmetic for them. Thanks to it, your lips will never be dry or chapped again. You only need a few ingredients that will transform the skin on your lips. Prepare a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cosmetic petroleum jelly to it. Petroleum jelly is intended to moisturize the skin of your lips. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Sugar primarily has exfoliating properties. Then, add a teaspoon of almond oil. Natural almond oil is suitable for consumption and can be used in homemade cosmetics. It regenerates and cleanses the skin. Add some natural aloe vera gel to the mixture. Aloe vera has soothing and moisturizing properties. It can be helpful in caring for dry and chapped lip skin. Petroleum jelly combined with aloe and almond oil protects the lips, especially from harmful weather conditions such as wind, frost, or sun. Mix everything thoroughly. The ingredients must be well combined. Apply this scrub to your entire lips. Rub it in thoroughly. Immediately after application, you will feel super moisturized. Leave it on for 10 minutes. After this time, rinse it off with warm water. I guarantee that your lips have never been so pleasant and well moisturized before. This combination rejuvenates the skin. It tightens and brightens the complexion, making you look younger. Your skin becomes like that of a 20-year-old. It erases wrinkles and delays the effects of aging. The face is smooth and radiant, and all you need is primarily Nivea cream. Many women around the world use this popular cream. It gives the skin softness, eliminates fine lines, protects the skin from drying out, and removes discoloration, but you can use it even better. Turn it into a super cosmetic. Squeeze some lemon juice into the Nivea cream. Lemon makes the skin radiant, making spots and discoloration disappear. Add a teaspoon of powdered milk. It's the perfect, nourishing ingredient for many facial cosmetics. It brightens the complexion, nourishes, and improves its appearance. Finally, add a teaspoon of petroleum jelly. It will further moisturize, soften, and firm the skin. Use such a cream as a mask. Apply it to your face, neck, and décolleté in the evening. Leave it on the skin for at least an hour. After this time, spread the mask on the skin again and remove any excess. Your skin will be younger by many years. A lady at the drugstore shared this secret with me. Drop some petroleum jelly into boiling water. I'll show you how to make your own aromatic balms. Start by taking a small pot and filling it halfway with water. Once the water boils, add 2 containers of petroleum jelly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. During this time, the petroleum jelly will melt and become liquid. After that, carefully remove the containers from the pot. Open one container and add your favorite perfume. For the second one, use your favorite men's fragrance. Mix everything well. Then, mark the containers with different nail polish colors to avoid confusion. Place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to harden. After that, they are ready to use. Apply them to your wrists and the area behind your ears. The wrists and the area behind your ears are spots where the skin is thinner and closer to blood vessels. This makes these areas warmer, which helps release the fragrance. The heat allows the perfume to develop better and become more intense.